Good evening, 晚上好。Are you happy? Yes, I am, because you made me happy. You made me happy. How to say this in Chinese? Maybe you will search make. In Chinese is 做. It's wrong. Why? Today we are going to learn this important Chinese grammar. Somebody or something made somebody feel something or made somebody do something. Okay, in this case, you made me happy. Made can be translated to Chinese. 让, jiào, 使. Three of them, they are the same actually. 让 and jiào. Like spoken language, we use 让 or jiào. And if like something really formal, we use 使. Okay, 让 jiào 使. Made, okay, or make. But it's only, in this case, it's only after somebody made somebody do something. Something made somebody, blah, blah, blah. Well, it's kind of difficult, but actually it's very easy. There are only two ways to use this grammar, okay? So, you made me happy. Happy is an adjective. Chinese and English, in this case, they are super similar. So, you made me happy. We can say, 你让我很开心. 开 is open. Open your heart. 开心, open your heart means happy. You made me happy. 你让我很开心. Somebody, 让 somebody, da da da. So, adjective. The first situation, 你让我很开心. How do you say you made me sad? Sad is 伤心. 伤 is means hurt. Hurt someone's mind. Okay, so 伤心 means sad. Open someone's hurt. It's 开心. 失望, 失 means lost. 望 hope. Lost hope means disappointed. So you made me disappointed. You made me feel disappointed. Both of them, you can say 你让我很失望. Okay? So somebody made somebody feel something. We can just say 你让我很 adjective. 你让我很伤心. You made me sad. This 很 you can translate 很 to very. 你让我伤心 is also okay, but 你让我很伤心 it's more nature, okay? So 你让我很伤心 you made me sad. 你让我很开心 you made me happy. 你让我很失望 you made me disappointed, okay? In English, it's you made me. It's like a past tense. In Chinese, adjectives never, adjectives or never have the past tense. So you made me happy. It's just 你让我很伤心. Don't put the, okay? We don't need use the. The means the finish, something finished. But I'm still feeling sad right now, so it's not finished. Okay? So you made me sad. Just 你让我很伤心. You made me happy. 你让我很开心. You made me disappointed. 你让我很失望. 失望. Lost hope is disappointed. Okay? Okay, we just learned somebody made somebody feel something. You made me feel sad, happy, disappointed. And also we can say something made somebody, blah, blah, blah. For example, the examination, 考试 examination, 考试 使我 made me 很紧张 made me nervous. The examination made me nervous. 考试使我很紧张. Of course, you can also say 考试使我紧张. It's also okay. 很 means very, but with 很 is better. Okay? 考试使我很紧张 nervous. Of course, you can change 使 to 叫 or 让. Okay, the only difference between them just one is like the spoken language. 让 and 叫 is spoken language, and if it's like a formal situation, you can use 使. Okay. Of course, here also you can say 你使我很伤心. Super formal situation. Sometimes if it's too polite, sometimes it's kind of scary. 你使我很伤心. It's like that. Okay, anyway. But the meaning is the same. You made me sad. 你让我很伤心. Okay? Okay, the second way to say, to use this grammar, it's somebody made somebody do something, or somebody made something do something, or something made somebody do something. Yeah, if you have enough vocabulary, you can try to use this structure, just put different words. Sometimes I feel like languages, it's kind of like a game. You just put the word and build a sentence and build your own house. Okay? So in English, you can say, the teacher asks me to do something. Or the teacher made me do something. But in Chinese, actually, they're the same. Because made somebody do something is kind of like someone forces someone to do something, right? But in Chinese, it's the same. Somebody asked somebody to do something, and somebody made somebody do something. They are the same in Chinese. Just 让教使 it's okay. For example, teacher made me write homework. We can say 老师让我写作业. I don't want to do, but 老师 teacher 让我 made me 写作业. 写 write homework, do homework. Okay? Or 妈妈让我做饭. Mom, well, in English you will say my mom, but in Chinese we don't need to emphasize my. Of course, when I say mom, it's my mom. Okay, so you just need to say 妈妈. 妈妈让我做饭. Mom made me cook. You don't want to cook. 做饭. Or 女朋友叫我打扫房间. 女朋友 girlfriend. Of course, my girlfriend is similar like that. Or 男朋友 my boyfriend 叫我 made me clean up the room. 打扫 clean up 打扫房间 the room. Okay, so yeah, we learned 2 ways to use somebody made somebody do something, or somebody made somebody feel something, or something made somebody feel or do something. Okay, so that's actually it's not that complicated, just here. Okay, let's read again. You made me feel 爸爸你让我很伤心. You made me sad. 你让我很开心. You made me happy. 你让我很失望. You made me disappointed. Okay. 考试使我很紧张. The examination made me nervous. 老师让我写作业. Teacher made me write homework. 妈妈让我做饭. Mom made me cook. 女朋友叫我打扫房间. Girlfriend made me clean up the house. But a negative way to say this, you can say 没让 for the first situation, because you didn't make me sad. In this case, you have to use 没让 didn't make 没让 will not make 不让 that's difference, okay? For example, you didn't make me sad. 你没让我很伤心。没 means didn't. And 老师不让我写作业。The teacher doesn't wants me do the homework. It's very strange though. 老师不让我写作业。Teacher doesn't make me write homework. It's kind of like this. So 没让 is didn't make. 不让 is don't make. Okay? 没问题吗？ So we learned you made me blah blah blah. You made me happy in Chinese, or you made me clean up the room. So you made me. Today we learned this. It's not difficult as long as you can remember this. Somebody 让教时 and somebody blah blah blah. Somebody after this you can put the adjective or the verb. Okay. So if you don't understand, you still don't understand, or you have any questions, you can write your comment. Thank you for watching. 明天见. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.